Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while that I haven't done a video. I've been very busy, got a lot of stuff going on right now. I got two kids, they're back to school right now, and also we have a new baby that's like 4 months. So it's, I've been very busy. That's been taking a lot of my time, so I don't really have much time now to do videos. But I wanted to shoot this video real quick because I recently just joined a team. So maybe if you're thinking about joining a team, so I'm gonna kind of share with you what has been going on so far. For a while, for a long time, I thought about joining a team, but obviously, with the team, it's gonna be like the split. You're gonna get paid less. I mean, they'll provide more stuff, but so I decided to join the team. Now, there's a couple of reasons why I decided to join the team. So as you know, real estate can become very stressful. A lot of the times you can feel like lonely and maybe nothing is happening. So for me, I mean, I was doing okay. I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't doing like the best, but I was doing okay. But I wanted to join a team to see. One of the main reasons why I decided to join a team, one is I want to learn more. I want to see, like, the team that I joined. I've been watching this guy for a while now. He's doing really well. He's growing fast. He's closing so many deals. So for me, I wanted to join him and see if I can learn from him. And eventually, my goal is to start a team one day. But I want to learn first. I want to see what he got going on, so maybe I can learn and then go do on my own thing. So obviously there's some pros and cons about joining a team, which is I will share with you in a little bit here. So if you're thinking about joining a team, so if you're a new agent, maybe you just got your license, and you're thinking about maybe joining a team or go solo, in my opinion, I think if you're a new agent, you just got your license, you should join a team. You should join a team because it is very, as a new agent, it's very hard to close a deal, to get leads, unless if you know a lot of people, which is in most cases, a lot of the new agents don't know a lot of people, especially if you move to a new state. You're not gonna know a lot of people. So with a team, they will provide you a lot of leads. I mean, it depends on the type of team that you join, which is I recommend you make sure you do a research on the team that you were thinking about joining. Make sure they're producing before you join, so you don't, otherwise, it won't make sense to join the team. So for me, the team that I joined, it's not a massive team. Right now, I think we're like 6 agents total. And the way the team works is, so basically the guy that runs the team, so he's basically doing a Zillow leads, which is, this is also something for me, as if you can see some of my older videos, I do a lot of cold calling. And I never done any Zillow leads, so that's kind of what I'm doing right now. So basically, with the Zillow leads, what happens is you get people calling you. So every time you get a call, it's gonna say Zillow leads, and then you answer, and then you convert them, which in most cases, a lot of the time, is going to be buyers. So if you're someone that maybe you're not looking to work with the buyers, because I know some agents don't deal with the buyers. Some agents, they only work with the sellers. So kind of with the Zillow lead, it's going to be more like buyers. It's going to be on the buyer side, which is when I joined this team. So when I talked to the guy, this is what he told me. He said, listen, whoever's telling you, oh, work just with the sellers, don't believe that. He said, just work with everybody. At the end of the day, if you're closing leads, he was like, on my first year as a real estate agent, I did about 20 million in volume. And I work with everybody, sellers, buyers, because what happens is, so let's say you're new to the business, right? You don't have that pipeline yet. So in the beginning, you're gonna have to create that pipeline, because all these buyers eventually they will become sellers as well. So work with everybody. If you're a new agent, just work with everybody. Everyone that is looking to buy, sell. It can be commercial, it can be residential. Just work with everybody. So which is I kind of like that. So to be honest, I just joined last week and I'm already getting a bunch of leads. Now, the biggest con about joining a team, obviously you're going to have the commission split, which is that's like in this, most team will do like 50-50. So if they provide their own leads, you close them, it's going to be 50-50 split, and then you're going to have to split with the office. So that's one of the biggest con. And the other thing that I didn't like about it is if you bring your own lead, it's still going to be a split that I think it depends on the team. I think me right now it's on a 70-30 split, which is that's something that I kind of didn't like about it, because if I'm bringing my own lead, I feel like that, you know, I should get all the commission. But again, for me, it's not just about the commission, but for me, I'm trying to learn as much as I can before I go start my own team. And I really respect what the guy has going on, and I feel like I can learn a lot from it. So if you're thinking about joining a team, I just think that, you know, if you're a new agent, I would say go for it. Build your pipeline before you go on your own, and also too, that way you don't feel lonely, because as you know, real estate sometimes it gets very lonely. Everybody's competing with each other. You know, you at your office, everybody's competing. But for me, I kind of wanted to be on a team where we can all learn from each other, and we are all of us are like together making calls. You know, all of us are on the same page. And also, if someone gets a lead that maybe, like, let's say they speak a different language, like in my case, I do speak 4 languages. So if it's a different language, they send me the leads. You know, I work them up, work them out. So I mean, I'm still doing my cold calling for myself, that's something too I highly recommend. If you're a new agent, I highly recommend you start calling right away. Especially, I would recommend go on Zillow and find some FISBO if you're just starting out, and just call them. I just listed a property yesterday that was a for sale by owner from Zillow that I called about 2 months ago, and I kept following up with her until she gave me an appointment, and I just listed yesterday. And in fact, today I actually have 3 showings for that property. So but yeah, so if you're thinking about joining a team, in my opinion, if you're going for the experience, then I highly recommend definitely join the team. But if you're, you know, in terms of the commission, if you don't, you know, if you think the split is not fair, if you think that's not going to work, then maybe don't join. But like I said, I'm just there for the experience. Probably I'll stay maybe about a year. Once I learn more and more, then I'll go ahead and go start my own team. But that's just my experience, and I'll try to make some more videos. Like I said, as I get really busy, I got 3 kids. You know, I got 3 kids, and I got a lot of stuff going on right now. Got a couple of deals going on, working on some listings, working with some buyers. So it can get very busy, but I'll try to make as much as I can. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.